Proper grill installation is essential for guaranteeing safety and efficiency when operating the appliance. First, remove any drawers and accessories that may affect assembly. Place the cabinet on its back, install the legs in the receivers attached to the bottom of the cabinet, and push them in until they're snug. Make sure all the legs are equal in length to speed up the leveling process, then turn the cabinet over so that it's back in its upright position. The shipping bracket located at the front of the cabinet needs to be moved to the back in order to become the rear countertop support. To do this, just remove the two number 10 screws from both sides and take the shipping bracket off. Before you relocate it to the back of the unit, refer to the manufacturer's specified depth. Measure from the front of the cabinet to that specified depth. Locate the holes that are just beyond your measurement, put the bracket there, and keep it flush with the top of the cabinet. Insert two of the original number 10 screws to each side and tighten. If the cabinets aren't level, turn the legs until they're in the correct position. The legs come with a hole at the bottom that allows you to make adjustments with a screwdriver if you can't easily get to them from the outside of the cabinet. For easier access to the back legs, insert a screwdriver into the holes inside of the cabinet and turn. Continue to do this until the cabinet is level and plumb. Reinsert the drawers and accessories you previously took out. This is how the cabinet will appear once it's installed.